Hi. Today I made a plugin. And by today I mean 6 weeks ago. No, not 6 weeks ago. Sorry, 2 weeks ago. Definitely not 6. Yeah, I was gonna make a video of me making the plugin, but it's taking a really long time to edit that video. It's around 6 hours of footage, and I'm a dev for a group, which doesn't really leave a lot of spare time to make videos with. I'm still gonna be uploading. It'll just be really spread out, and yeah. This plugin, yeah, I'm gonna put it in the description for you to download. I was gonna make it so you had to buy it, but Roblox only lets certain people do that, so no money for me. And yeah, you came here to see the plugin, not me talk, so I'll get into it. So you just click here. Oops. Let me just, sorry about that. So you just press begin. You select the tool. Now you can't really select models. It's supposed to be a thing you can do, but I'll make it so you can do that eventually. You are supposed to be able to. I don't know why you can't. You also don't need to weld anything. It takes care of welding for you. And yeah, that's about it. So, so now you select the tools handle. Now you don't need a handle like this, because it's a Motor6D tool. You just move the gun around wherever you want. So yeah, but I'm gonna have the handle like this, since that's how I have it right now. Press next. Now you select which rig you want, R6 or custom rig. This is my custom rig. It's supposed to be an arm, but it doesn't really look like one. I'll show you R6. A bit of lag there. Yeah, it does everything for you. R15 there, and the custom rig. You select that, and yeah, it clones it, because that'd be really annoying if your custom rig got ruined, or not ruined, if you just didn't like want it to be like that. Have a spare. So you might be, oh wait, never mind, there's one more thing I need to show you. Sorry, I really need to get my priorities in order. Press next one. Now this is the pivot editor. This is gonna be animating the magazines and the bolts and stuff like that. I'm just using a gun as an example. It doesn't have to be a gun, it can be anything really, besides making custom rigs. Now you could do that possibly, I don't know how well that would work though. So yeah, but that's all for this plugin GUI. Now just to show that it works, I'm gonna open the animation editor. I'll show you this custom rig first. Yeah, it's it's not a good rig. I made it really fast, but you have to grab the handle. You can see you can move the gun around, you can rotate it, do whatever you want with it. So that's the custom rig, R15. And I know some people still use R6, that's why I did this. Personally I don't like R6, but hey, whatever floats your boat, I guess. I can't get to the hand, it's fine. Just that. R6. There. That's all of them working. And of course you still got your gun model, or tool model, sorry, if you want to do something with it. Same with your custom rig. So yeah, that's it. Remember, plugin is going to be in the description. Oh yeah, and about that Discord server I said I was going to get by next video. I don't have it right now. I wanted to get a Discord bot made for it, which I'm in the process of making that. But if you just want it out right now without the Discord bot, I'm probably gonna do a poll, but if I forget to do one, just comment saying if you want it right now or wait for the Discord bot. Yeah, that's it. Bye, I'll see you next video.